Okay guys, so we have a Corvette, and not just a regular Corvette, that's a Z06 2016. Man, yeah, and it's convertible. I wonder why they didn't close the top, but oh well. I wanted to get inside, but I guess this is good. Pretty well. Look at this baby. White fiberglass all the way around. Yep, fiberglass. Oh, this is a nice car, I'm not gonna lie. Z06, white on white. Look at it. Inside again with a red interior. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that, but wow. Damage wise, let's see, this can buff out right there. This can buff out. This needs a new fender, a new suspension, a new front bumper. What do we have here? Is that what I think it is? Oh no, that's cameras. That's the cameras. I was thinking this is more like a laser sensors or laser jammers, you know, but they're not, they're cameras. So man, it's a nice car. I really wonder what really happened. Seemed like it's spun out and then this side clipped something and just bust the bumper, and then the front ended up hitting something as well, and it seems like it was a tree, something like that, because we still have some, yep, some bushes on the front and some grass as well. And this rim gone, it is gone. Look at it. Suspension. Hey, look, we have a can, air filter. Whoop, whoop. A race one. Over here, some kind of a sensor. I think it's from the light. Probably that's gonna stay there. Whoever buys this car is gonna need it. Oh man, seems like that the brakes actually survived, and those are the expensive ones. The carbon fiber ones. Yeah. And we're talking about Z06, baby. It needs to stop. It needs to stop. Like nobody's business. So this is a pretty good spec out. Z06. Yeah. I really wanted to kind of look at it inside, but can't see it. Yeah. But again, I think this one is actually pretty easy to fix. Just this little quarter panel thing that comes out, you can replace that. Rear bumper, you can replace that as well. So screw on piece, this top piece, same deal. Screw on, bolting, done deal. Front bumper, same deal. That's replaceable. Front right side panel, easy. Can't really see right there. I think this is your air suspension or something like that. That is smashed, but I don't think anything else, like frame wise. Yeah, this is the most important thing right there. See your computer. Man, the ECU. They need to protect that like it's gold. Without this, man, yeah. It's not like the car is worthless, but you know, getting that guy is gonna be major deal. Yeah. Yeah, pricing, you know, honestly fixing this car, it's more like a bolting stuff and done deal. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video if you guys like it. And if you don't, you know what to do. Still like it. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.